Now अविनाश जी को हैंडल करता हूँ प्लीज।
नमस्कार। हेलो 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 हमारे translation ceremony शुरू। I request all of you the universities। सबसे पहले मैं डॉक्टर आनंद और राकेश कौल जी को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो फेलिसिटेट करेंगे प्रोफेसर एस.के. सोमपुरी। Professor Sompuri, born on 7 January 1948, is a distinguished scientist of the country. He had his education first in J&K University for his BSc and MSc, and then did his doctorate at University of Delhi in the field of plant molecular biology. An eminent plant molecular biologist of international repute, Professor Sompuri began his academic career in the year 1973 as a faculty at the School of Life Sciences, Jawaharlal Nehru University. Professor Sompuri has achieved many awards during the span of 37 years. A visiting scientist at Max Planck Institute, Cologne, Germany, University of Austin, USA Plant Molecular Biology Lab, US Department of Agriculture, USA and University of Munich, Germany. Professor Sompuri has been awarded various national and international awards for his pioneering contribution to scientific research and teaching. Notable among them are prestigious Bhatnagar Award of CSIR, Chakravarti Award, Birbal Sahani Medal of Botanical Society, Birbal Sahani Birth Centenary Award of Indian Science Congress, Gordnew Award Lecturer of Belarus Academy of Science and Padma from Government of India. He is an elected fellow of an Indian National Science Academy, New Delhi, Indian Academy of Science, Bangalore, National Academy of Science, Allahabad, National Academy of Agricultural Science, New Delhi, and the World Academy of Science, Treviso, Italy. He has been credited 200 research publications in the World and Intact Factor Journal, 13 edited books, and 50 chapters in the books. He has proudly participated in various national and international seminars, conferences, and workshops. Thank you. I request Rakesh Kaul ji, Bhushan Bhatt ji, Dr. M.K. Ghazi to felicitate Dr. Devendra Nath Kaul. Born on December 19, 1939 at Ranawari, Srinagar, Dr. Devendra Nath Kaul studied medicine at the Government Medical College, Srinagar as one of the students from the first batch of medical students. He did his MBBS in 1964 and went on to finish his MD in 1978. Ever since, he has been completely dedicated to his noble profession and his patient. Spiritually inclined, Dr. Kaul is hugely interested in gardening and is a great animal lover. However, primarily his motivation comes from service to mankind. Thank you, Doctor. We have with us Shri Makhanlal Kukuru. I request Bhushan ji, Sanjay Rana, M.K. Bhatt and Arun Chali. Shri Makhanlal Kukuru has migrated from Kashmir in September 19 due to the political turmoil and is presently living in pocket of flat number 544 Sarsa Vihar, New Delhi. His educational qualifications are M.A. Sanskrit, M.A. Hindi, Shastri Sahitya Alankar, traditional Sanskrit scholar and past proficiency. High proficiency and honors in Sanskrit Shastri with MOL. He has the distinction of being a student of Dr. B.M. Pandit, a great Sharit scholar and a reputed Sanskrit Pandit. Being interested in Kashmir Shiva Darshan, He was initiated by Swami Lakshmanju, a great Shaiva scholar and yogi of the 20th century. He was teaching on Sunday regularly in Swamiji's ashram in Nishad, Kashmir for more than 3 decades. After Swamiji's Nirvana in 90, the Ishwar Swami Ashram Trust was formed and he was appointed as editor of the quarterly magazine Marni. In 2003, he was invited to attend a workshop at Gyan Pravastha, Varanasi. In 2004, he was requested to teach Pratibha Hridayam to international scholar at Dalai Lama Bhavan, Varanasi. In 1977, he was invited by Shiv Shiva Trust of Switzerland to attend the art celebration. In 1998, he was again invited in Geneva, Germany to participate in several philosophical conferences of the same trust. In the year 2006, he was asked by the same trust to teach the Shaiva text, namely Shiva Sutra of Vishnu Vasugupta, to a selected gathering in Switzerland. He edited and translated many books of Kashmiri Shaivism and has written a few of them below mentioning. Community Vijay, Rashtra, narrated by Swami Lakshmanju and edited by Guru Sahib, Vatulnath Sutra, Kashmir Shiva Darshana, Main Yama and Niyam, Amreshwar Bhairava, 1000 names of Bhagwan Gopinath written in Sanskrit by him. Namavali of Bhagwan Gopinath ji written in Sanskrit by him. Mahasutotram, famous verses of Shiva text translated in Hindi by him. Swami Chalisa written in Doha style. Swami Ram Gita written in Sanskrit verses by him. Now we will felicitate Shri Motilal ji Kaul Nayar. I request Vijay Raina, Narendra ji, Juju, SK Chair, PL Fire. Motilal Kaul Nayar, born on 27 September 1936 at Rainawari, is a retired headmaster with MA BL. Nag is the pen name of King Motilal. They have developed literary taste at a young age, got the company of some poets and writers, and earlier poetry who helped to develop the taste. He got recognition in literary circles in early 60s. Late Shri G.R. Santosh, great reputed artist, poet, critic and prose writer, used to be a poetic achievement of Shri Nag. Padma Shri late M.L. Saki was great friend of and fan of his ghazal. They published following books. First collection of Kashmiri poems entitled Yeh Ghazal, Yeh Nazal, published in 1976-77. The Kashmir Works translation of world-renowned Taiwan Gitanjali, published in 1979. Third book, Kashmiri poems entitled Koshikuj, published in fag end of 2001. Fourth book, Shady Nev, published in 2009. Fifth book, Das Bhav, published in 2009. Besides this, Naz Sahib has done a commendable job in Besh Martan, Khatmat, Shiraz, Sonadab, Koshur Samachar, Kheer Bhavani Times, Alap of Bangalore, Bhagwan Gopinath Prakash. Honored and awarded as community icon by AICF, honored with Saint Krishna Ju Rajdhan Saraswati Samman by JNK Chairman, represented Kashmiri poem in National Symposium on the eve of Republic Day on 25th January 1992 in Delhi. हमारे सामने इधर एक फैसिलिटेट कराएं कमेटी रुपए के बाद सामने इंडियन जेटी क्या कि अशुपता दर्शक समाचार खबर आप ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ कौन हो रहा है
Mr. Owen Raina, originally resident of Kanikadal, Srinagar, has been an active silent worker since his college days. He has been part of the movement like KP agitation in 1967, for which he was sent to jail, and he has retired as excise and taxation officer from J&K Round in the year 2003. After staying at Jammu for some time, he shifted along with the family to Ghaziabad. As well said, people with zeal to do something do not sit idle. He remained active in community affairs at Ghaziabad and became a big support in constructing the temple which is known as Shiv Mandir at Pratap Vihar, Ghaziabad. Later he shifted to Faridabad, and the work done there for the community is an example in its own. He framed a sector community association in the name of Kashmiri Pandit Welfare Association. He was elected as the president of the association and played a major role in binding the community members and bringing them out on the same platform. He and his association members tried to get some land allocated from the government to make a hall type for cultural activities. Kashmir Samiti Delhi congratulates you on receiving this award of Kashmiri Control.